My name is Cindy George. I have been seeing Dr. Herman at ENT of Georgia South for about a year and a half now. Pretty much all of my adult life, I've suffered with sinus infections, headaches, a little nausea from sinus drainage and so forth. So I was pretty much seeing my primary physician probably 2 or 3 times a year with chronic sinus infections. I guess about 2 years ago, I started having one right after the other, as to where I had a constant sinus pressure, sinus headaches. And just by a Google search, I found Dr. Herman, and I came to him for the first time and finally got some answers to what was going on with my sinus pressure. At first, he treated me for the infection, and I think I came to him about 3 times in regards to the infection. And then the last time, which was about the 1st of March of this past year, I came to him heavily infected, major sinus pressure, and so he cleared up the sinus infection with antibiotics and then suggested that I have the sinus balloon procedure. Well, Dr. Herman was wonderful. He took the pre-op instructions, he walked me through it step by step, told me exactly what was going to happen. And as he was providing all the numbing medication, he explained to me exactly what he was doing along the way. And then the next thing I know, I was in the chair, he was doing the procedure, and I remember very little after that. I felt no pain whatsoever, really didn't feel any pressure. Since March the 28th, I have not had one sinus headache. So that was a miracle, and I'm very appreciative of the procedure. I've been very pleased with the treatment that I've received, very pleased with the procedures, and I would highly recommend him to any person who's having chronic sinus infections.